Is your Samsung Galaxy A54 struggling to connect to Wi-Fi networks? Don't worry, this is a common issue that can usually be resolved by troubleshooting some basic areas. Try these following solutions. Restart your device. The simplest fix is sometimes the most effective one. Restart your Galaxy A54 to clear any temporary software glitches that may be interfering with the Wi-Fi connection. To restart, 1. Press and hold the power button. 2. Tap Restart when prompted. Forget and reconnect to Wi-Fi network. If your A54 is failing to connect to a particular Wi-Fi network you've connected to before, your best bet is to forget that network and reconnect. 1. Go to Settings, Connections. Then Wi-Fi. 2. Tap the problem Wi-Fi network. 3. Tap Forget to remove it. 4. Re-enter the Wi-Fi password to reconnect. Check Wi-Fi network settings. Make sure the issue isn't with the Wi-Fi network itself by connecting another device to test it. Also verify the network is not hidden and that password settings match on your A54. Update software. Outdated Android software could have a bug causing Wi-Fi connectivity problems. Check if there are any updates available for your Galaxy A54. 1. Go to Settings, Software Update. 2. Tap Download and Install. Reset network settings. If you're still having trouble, reset your A54's network settings to restore them to their defaults. Note this will also forget all saved Wi-Fi passwords. 1. Go to Settings, General Management. Reset. 2. Tap Reset Network Settings. Safe Mode. Boot your A54 into safe mode to check if a third-party app you downloaded is causing the Wi-Fi issues. If Wi-Fi works in safe mode, you'll need to uninstall recently installed apps one by one. Here's an easy way to boot to safe mode. Press and hold the power button until the power option appears. Tap and hold the power off option until the safe mode option appears, then tap it. The phone will restart into safe mode. You'll see the words Safe Mode displayed in the bottom left corner. Once in safe mode, you can test if your Wi-Fi is working properly without any third-party apps interfering. To exit safe mode, simply restart your Galaxy A54, normally by powering it off and back on. Factory reset. As a last resort, you can do a factory reset to return your Galaxy A54 to its out-of-box state and rule out any app or deeper software conflicts. 1. Go to Settings, General Management. Reset. 2. Tap Factory Data Reset.